quite what I had in mind. You were floating down the river. Are you okay?
Now, damn.
And I think everything was going just swimmingly. How odd. I'm also hungry.
There you are, you troublesome blockhead! And just who caused all this work, you suicidal maniac!
You found me! Nice work, Kunikita!
You realize how often you disrupt my schedule?
Let's have him treat you to a meal.
You're unreliable and you're a fool, Balazar. Who says, wow, that's a nice river, and then jumps into it in the middle of a job?
You're obsessed with your schedules, Kunikita.
And now he's got questions.
What are you talking about?
How are you two communicating with each other?
But just so that I'm totally clear about my decision, how big is the reward for this case?
This much. If you're flirting, I'm not interested. We're going to make him one of us. You're the new member of the Armed Detective Agency.
I can't go out. I'm sick.
Boo, you whore.
Based on what he's saying, the bomber seems furious at the agency.
Honestly, I don't think I can help you. May I go now?
Lay down on that desk on your hands and knees, and keep both feet above your head!
Are you gay?
You'll do exactly as I say! What's something to live for?
Yummy tea on rice! I really don't think you thought about this from all the angles. I mean, if you die...
You're really dead. Anyone with supernatural powers is not totally right in the head. Sorry. Are you okay? Congratulations, you passed your big exam.
No. Well, I'm glad it's settled.
Brother.